Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to handle special orders and repairs in ThunderPOS iPad register, and also where you can view your e-commerce orders. So we have logged in, we're at the touchscreen register right now, and you'll see the tab selections across the bottom. The next to the last one says orders repairs. We're gonna tap that to go to the orders and repair screen. First thing you see when you get here are the special orders. You can place special orders at the register for out-of-stock items, and there's a video for how to use the register. But right now, these are the special orders that are active. And let's say that you have an item that came in that was special ordered. You can see your special orders here, and you can select for what we're going to do here for the top item, pick up. This assumes the customer is going to pick it up. You'll see that there's a price of $40 and there was a $1 deposit. So when you hit that, this item happens to be serial numbers. You will have your item there. In this case, there's a promotion applied, so that's why you're seeing $32 as the price. So we are going to go ahead and check out. And we'll make it a cash. Here, exact change. And there you go. Now when you go back to your special orders, you're gonna see that order is cleared. Now for repairs, you tap on the upper right side, you'll see there's repairs in e-commerce. You're gonna tap repairs, and you'll see your repair list. Now you can create a new repair, and I'll show you how to do that. There's a plus icon on the upper right side. If you tap on that, that will create a new repair. The only thing that's mandatory for a repair is a description. So I'm going to say screen repair. And we are going to save it. It will, in that case, default to the walk-in customer and the default employee, but you can, so we tapped on it, so now we're going to edit it, so we can select the customer, and you'll see the customer ID changed, and your name is preloaded, and then we can also change the employee. So let's go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's your new employee. That's going to be the technician on this repair. The estimate is 0, deposit is 0. You can add items now. So let's go ahead and add an item. You can scan the item or type the item number in. So we added an item named test, or we can hit search, and then we can add an item from the list. So we did that, and you'll see your estimate is now adjusted accordingly. So we're going to save that, and now your report is saved. Now, your repair rather. Now, when you see the list of repairs here, you can perform an action on it. You can finalize the repair, in which case it'll be the amount remaining on the repair will be put on the invoice, and you'll be able to check out. Deposit, you can put a deposit on the repair, either initial deposit or an additional deposit at any point in time, or you can go ahead and cancel. And if you hit cancel, then any deposit that was put on the repair will be refunded to the customer. So let's just go ahead and finalize the repair we just created. You'll see the items that are on the repair are put on the transaction. Let's go ahead and check out. And let's check. And we've checked out. Now if you go back to your repairs, you will see that the repair we just created today is no longer there because it's been finalized. So the last thing you can do here on the screen is hit the e-commerce button on the upper right hand side. That will give you a list of your e-commerce orders. So you can tap on one of them and get a little detail on what it was. And that's much, it's mainly for informational purposes. You can show your completed orders, the ones you've already filled, by tapping on the lower right-hand corner and checking that box. And that is it for this video. And if you have any more detailed questions, you can check our manual or our tutorials. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.